Hey, this video is intended to show some clarification on the Rolle's theorem. Unfortunately, I taught this earlier in the year, but by the end of the semester, we kind of forget about Rolle's theorem. And I think the reason we forget about it is that it is so intuitive that you might think to yourself, it's not even a theorem. So now, when you read the text of the Rolle's theorem, it might seem to be a little bit more confusing, but it just says if the function is continuous, which we understand the word continuous, and it has to be differentiable on each point on some interval from a to b, and we're just saying that the first, that a point at a, the y values are equal as well, then there exists some c value such that the derivative equals 0. So I think the easiest way to understand this is to just make a little graph. So here's your graph, and basically what we're saying is that if we substitute in an a value, we'll get f of a, right? So this point would be something like a comma f of a. And what we're saying is that if we substituted in some b value, that value is actually going to be the same. It's going to be b comma f of, right? B comma f of b, which f of b, remember, is the same exact thing as f of a. So basically, the theorem just says that this has to be some kind of curve, and if this is some kind of continuous and differentiable curve, then there has to be some kind of maximum value between those 2 points, depending on how you draw the curve. So I could also draw it so that I have a curve, a parabola facing up or something like that, right? And I still have some c value, so that the derivative equals 0. In other words, the slope at this point c equals 0. F prime at c equals 0. So that is Rolle's theorem in a 2-minute clip.